Yeah, look at this.
Also known as concrete Thomas tank engine.
You can see where it gets that name from, can't you? What's it called? The Stanton shelter.
Yeah, Stanton shelter.
Yeah. It is, but it's rather nettled. That's a shame. But yeah, you can see they're going through them. This obviously protects you from a blast.
Take it arches off.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, that, isn't it? Hey, hey! That's a bit full of crap. It's a bit full of crap. I'll let the camera in. Yeah.